Today we're going to have a wander into Çalış, which isn't too far away, looks like about 5-10 minute walk. And what I'm going to do, yeah, we do, because you know what we're like, people. Mrs. Two's going to come back with a broke bum and a broke foot again. So this is the walk that we took from the north down to the south there. Probably not the most efficient walk that we could have done, but we worked on the principle of kind of like just having the sea on our right hand side, and we made it. We did cut off a couple of minutes before the ends just because we were walking down an A road and it was noisy and I didn't think it'd be that interesting, but just another few minutes on and turn off to the right and you'll find yourself in Calis Town Centre. So we're just heading off resort now down to where the beach is. You can see the cabanas there ahead of us, which is where we were at yesterday, and we're just going to hang a left there. Good morning, how are you? Yeah, so we hang a left here. There's Orsin,
yep,
behind the guy with a hat. He's a very friendly security guard. Another doggy.
That's his. It ain't a street one.
Morning, Orsin. How are you?
Hiya.
Good.
Oh, it is a hot one.
Yeah, it is. It's lovely on warm day. So we're here in, was it May 19th today?
Yeah.
Yeah, so May the 19th today. And what's it been, do you reckon? And what's the temperature been, do you think?
It's been about 26.
Yeah, it's been...
But it feels hotter.
Yeah. The winds, like sort of breeze has been really cooling, hasn't it?
Yeah. Well,
So
only on the beach.
Well, yeah. But of an evening as well, it's been quite cool. What's it supposed to be today?
I didn't look. 27?
27. Tomorrow's 26. Then we got 29, 29, 30.
31.
Yeah, so it's going to be a fairly warm week from here on out, folks. Plenty of factor 50 and factor 30.
Yeah, I did burn a little bit yesterday.
Yes.
And I don't normally burn, do I?
No. If anyone's going to do it, it's normally me. But you'll notice I wear like a rash t-shirt because my belly never sees light of day. And it does just burn down real fast. So try to look after that. And obviously I've been wearing me hat as well. Me tipfer. I've got the bearskin hat, which I absolutely love. I asked my son for it for my birthday, and it does a great job keeping the UV off you, while also looking very trendy, people. But that's what I say when I look at myself in the mirror.
Mind yourself. Yeah, I didn't bring my headscarf. It's in the room. Keep the sun off my head. 2 cocktails, get 1 free.
So 1.5 for 2. Is that right? No. 3 for 2. 1.5 for 1.
Oh, Costa, look.
Costa coffee, get everywhere, don't they? There'll be a Starbucks up here now. Burger and pizza. And to be honest with you, folks, where it's like all in, you could quite happily not leave the resort, couldn't you?
Yeah. But we want to go and see other bits.
Well, we do. We got a little plan for tomorrow, which I'm not telling you about. And that way, if it changes, I can pretend that we didn't get it wrong. But I want to. Oh, this is. Normally, I'm all right with me packing and everything. But I had 3 days away at conferences before we came, and my last day I was working and I was mental. Radio rental, chicken oriental, and I was so terribly prepared. So I forgot my selfie stick. I forgot half of my t-shirts. Really, really poorly prepared.
You forgot your sunglasses.
Forgot my sunglasses, which is why you've had to look at my mug all week, without at least a bit of it being hidden. And I haven't told Angie yet, but I don't even know where I'm going today. We're just sort of wandering in that general direction.
Oh, for God's sake, it's going to be more than 10 minutes then, isn't it?
It's really pretty though, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, I think as long as we can see the sea on the right-hand side, let's just keep wandering in that general direction, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like a campsite behind this. There's all tents out there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to... Yeah, look. I don't know. Can you see? Oh, there's a car coming.
Can't really see them.
Yeah, you can't really tell, but there is. It's all tents. Oh, I'm baking.
I don't really want to flick the camera around either.
No.
Because it'll, when you do the speed up version, it looks weird when it points off to one side and then points back. So this road we're coming up to now, we're obviously going to turn right so we can carry on in the same direction. But I believe this will be the road that takes you back to the front of the hotel, whereas we came out, I guess what I'd call the back where the beach is.
Yeah.
But yeah, the reception side, say. Of course, like Clapham Junction round here, isn't it? So far, Mrs. Tooth, what are you thinking about our long overdue return to Turkey?
No, I think it's nice. It's really pretty.
Yeah.
They've got, like, the houses are done up nice, and they've got nice plants. Don't know what it'd be like further down, but the hotel's really good.
It is, isn't it? And
yeah, the staff are really good.
yeah, I can't. I don't know, if you follow the channel, folks, you'll see that we love a bit of cheapo out in Lanzarote, and you will have seen it already by now, but our rich holiday, poor holiday, the one that cost less was far better than the one that cost more.
Yeah.
But actually, if you take the hotels like accommodation out of the picture, they were pretty much of a muchness in terms of price. So we do like a bit of cheapo out in the Canary Islands. Can you stop?
What?
Sorry, you moved right, so I moved left.
Oh.
Then you moved left, so I moved right.
Well, it's because the curb was broken.
That's all right. Go behind me then. Walk 2 steps back. You're in a Muslim country now, woman.
I've sod off.
Assalamu alaikum. So yeah, so we like that, but then like for the big occasions, like my 50th, Mrs. Tooth's 50th, and we did it for your first sort of trek into Barbados, didn't we? Which was a bucket list thing for you.
Oh, that was fantastic.
Yeah. So we've done like the sandals and the 5-star resorts as well.
I wouldn't complain about that at all. It was brilliant.
I know you wouldn't complain because you want to go back there.
I do.
But sandals is one thing. But the two, like the 4-star and the 5-star that we stayed in Lanzarote, if the service is non-existent in somewhere that I've paid £300 for a week for, I don't care, because it was only £300 a week. I knew what I was getting. If the service is non-existent or shite somewhere that we pay £1,200 a week for, I've got the ump.
Yeah.
And those places out in Lanzarote, the service just weren't there, was it?
No.
Whereas on La Graciosa, I think from memory, you'll have seen it before me, people, £320 or something for the whole week, right on the beach. And there's no rules. The only rule is don't be a dick. But once you get like big companies and loads of policies in place and the policies don't all line up, it's like that thing in it, we could have as much Prosecco as we wanted for breakfast. Yeah. But then you had to pay for a Coke at the Arrecife Grand. But when you asked him for a Coke, he didn't say, yes, of course, madam, just to let you know there's an additional charge for that. He went, no, you can't have that, you've got to pay for it. It's like, who do you think you're talking to, mate? Come round here with your big ideas.
Anyway, you've done the video on that.
We have, and now we're here. I'm just explaining the value point.
Okay.
And where I was getting to with all that is that here was cheap.
Ouch.
It is listed as a 5-star, but actually the service is tip top.
Yeah, it really is. Ouch.
And that's a real testament to the Turkish people and how much they pride their industry. And I've got to stop because Mrs. Tooth's got something in her shoe and that something isn't her foot. What was in your shoe?
I don't know, something spiky.
Some prick.
You wouldn't fit in it.
That was quite good for you. Mrs. Tooth's only being brave because the camera's on. Actually, that's not true at all. It's me being brave because the camera's on. You see these? So if you press that green button, you'll have a taxi here in a couple of minutes. And outside the front of the hotel as well, there's like a fixed price list. So for the different resorts, so you ain't getting ripped off on that. God, it's a lovely day, isn't it?
It's hot.
It's hot, but it's nice.
Yeah.
You can get a taxi in here as well. I think
that's all done nicely.
Yeah. Well, that's a nice pool at the front there as well. Wish they got loads of plants up in front of to stop nosy beggars like me with a camera poking.
Yeah, they're pretty flowers.
Yeah, they are pretty flowers.
I got some honeysuckle.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
Do you want to hand down there, Mrs. Tooth?
No, I'll go this way.
Alright, so it looks like we're coming up on a busy old road here. So, I've got a feeling, Mrs. Tooth,
Yeah.
that this is Çalış, because you see all the big buildings over there.
Okay. I'll go over there.
Mrs. Tooth always tells me to stop when we get to the main road and look out for dog poo. And when she tells me to stop, what do I say? Duh. Duh brain.
I know that's stop in Turkish.
Right, so we've just swung on right.
Oh, it's nice in the shade.
It is nice in the shade. So we should be coming back down towards the beach. It shouldn't be too hard, this one, should it? We could see it from the front of the hotel.
Yeah.
It was only One Direction. Quick, what's a One Direction song?
I don't know.
Neither do I. See, if I was young and trendy, I would have had a little joke for you there, people. Instead of that, I'm just going to have to show you Mrs. Tooth in a minute. So has anyone been here? Am I in Çalış? You tell me, Peter, because I ain't got a clue. I mean, I know we're on Calis Beach, you know what I mean? Are we in the town centre yet? If we go down here and the sea ain't there anymore...
You're in trouble.
So he's come along and burst my bubble. See, I knew that one. Oh, we are, because I've heard about this shop.
What?
Migros. I read about it online and see about it in the forums. Expensive, I think, is what I read about it.
Oh.
But if I've got that wrong and I'm doing it a disservice...
Yeah, because you can only tell if you went in there yourself and saw the prices.
Yeah. I've got no intention of doing that, so let us know in the comments, people. Expensive or value for money? Oh bugger, I didn't press record, Mrs. Tooth.
Oh well.
I'm kidding. It wouldn't be the first time that's happened, folks. I think that's how Mrs. Tooth ends up Brucken. So I go, we've got to go back for 5 minutes and then come back this way. Forgot to press record. It's been very misty off in the mountains all week, isn't it?
Yeah.
I say all week, this is our second full day. But we got here...
Saturday.
Yeah, what, about 2 in the afternoon, something like that, 3 in the afternoon?
Yeah.
And we've got about 14 hours of daylight at the moment as well, people. So the sun's coming up at sort of 5 to 6 in the morning is sunrise. And it's not going down until late in the evening, is it?
No.
And that's only getting longer at the moment. So I think over the course of this week, the last day we got about 15 minutes more sunlight than we did on the first day. Right, walking down the side of an A road can't be that entertaining, people, so I'm going to stop this video 5 minutes ago and we will be back with you when we found somewhere to sit and have a drink.